Here's an example of a matrix. I'm going to use a left square bracket, and I'm going to put two rows of numbers in here. Let's put 5, -2, 4. I'm just making the numbers up. 0, 1, 6, and I'll use a right square bracket. That's a matrix. This has two rows. Now you know rows go across horizontally, and it has 3 columns, and columns are vertical, so we've got the first column, the second column, the third column. So this matrix has a size, so the size of this matrix is just the number of rows by the number of columns. So this is said to be a 2 by 3 matrix. The size of a matrix is given by the number of rows by the number of columns. So this particular matrix is a 2 by 3. And let's do this. Let's call this matrix A. So I'm going to rewrite it again like this. 5, -2, 4, 0, 1, and 6. And doing so, then I can write this. I can describe the elements. I'm going to call it A sub 1, 1. Now, I'm saying this A because the matrix is A. Capital letter for the name of the matrix, small letters for the elements. And let's say A11, this is a 5. And what the 1, 1 is, this is the row, and this is the column. So the first element is the row, the second is the column. So A sub 1, 2, this will be the element in the first row, like the first row, second column. So this is a -2, and A sub 1, 3, that's 4. This is the element in the first row, third column. Let's just finish them up here. A sub 2, 1, this is the element in the second row, first column. So this is this 0, right? It's the 0 right here in the second row, first column. A sub 2, 2, that's a 1. And A sub 2, 3, that's a 6. Second row, third column. Now here's an example over here at the top right. Here's an example of a square matrix. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. In this case, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now here's a matrix. This has 3 rows and 1 column. And because it has only 1 column, we're going to call this a vector. So a matrix with just 1 column is called a vector. This is a column vector. And in this case, this is a 3 by 1. And then we could write it this way, 1, 3, -5. If we wrote this, this is a row vector. And the size of this is 1 row by 3 columns.